starving. Let's find something quick.
Same here. How about sandwiches?
Hi there. What would you like today?
Can I get a 6-inch turkey sub on wheat bread, please?
What vegetables would you like?
Lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and red onion, please.
Sure. Do you want to add cheese?
No cheese, thanks.
All right, please pay at the cashier. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks.
Thanks.